Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is courage that counts." Every successful person has a story to tell about how they turned their failures into triumphs. So if you're feeling defeated and asking yourself, "Why do I keep failing?" Take heart and keep watching this video as we tell you the 7 main reasons why you keep failing at what you do. Address these reasons, and you'll find yourself experiencing more triumphs in life. Number 1. The terror of failing. The fear of failure can hold us back from reaching our full potential. When we experience repeated setbacks, it can feel like failure is a constant punishment. But this negative perspective can be detrimental when presented with new opportunities. Embracing the fear of failure will only set you up for failure before you've even had the chance to succeed. Number 2. Lack of patience and overwhelming ambition. Social media is a powerful force in shaping our perceptions and lifestyles. We are bombarded with images and short videos of seemingly perfect lives, showcasing wealth and luxury. This constant exposure leads us to believe that success is just within our grasp, and all we have to do is reach for it. The problem is, this message of "dream big and you can have it all" it's simply not true. The idea of instant success is unrealistic, and when we set impossible goals and don't see immediate results, we can easily become discouraged and give up. Instead of aiming for the stars and setting unattainable goals, it's important to be mindful of the effort and hard work required to reach our aspirations. Don't be in a rush for instant gratification. Take it one step at a time and celebrate each small accomplishment along the way. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Number 3. You don't have a strategy. Don't be a victim of the hasty-happy trap. Wanting everything at once can only lead to disappointment. To truly make your dreams a reality, you need to have a roadmap in place. Without a strategy, success becomes a distant fantasy. But with a solid strategy, you'll have a clear direction, stay focused, and be accountable for your actions. Your strategy should be full of achievable, quantifiable, and specific goals, all leading you towards your ultimate destination. Anticipate any challenges and obstacles that may arise, and come prepared with a contingency plan to overcome them. Be smart, be proactive, and make your dreams a reality with a well-thought-out strategy. Number 4. Not trying long enough. Throwing in the towel is the primary cause of defeat. The journey towards triumph is a bumpy one, filled with obstacles and setbacks. When you're met with rejection or disappointment, it's tempting to surrender. However, it's important to remember that your worth is not defined by your failures. Don't let one setback determine your success. Empower yourself by taking control of your next move. You have the power to choose what comes next. Don't let anyone else dictate your future. Number 5. Not wanting to ask for advice or help. Edmund Nebiaka once said, "Don't let pride hold you back from reaching out for help when you truly need it." We all need a helping hand at some point in our lives. Your dreams and aspirations can't be achieved alone. It's not a one-man show. If you find yourself constantly struggling and failing, it may be due to your unwillingness to receive guidance and advice. Hearing constructive feedback is crucial, as it provides you with a new viewpoint on what you're doing and what you hope to achieve. What you believe is correct may not be correct for others. However, it's always beneficial to know why they have a different opinion. When faced with difficulties and setbacks, it's essential to seek advice and feedback. Although what they have to say might not be easy to hear, if it's constructive, it will help you gain valuable insights and learn essential lessons on how to move forward in life instead of taking a step back. Number 6. Failure to learn from past mistakes. Transform your missteps into triumphs by embracing the power of reflection. Every mistake holds a valuable lesson, but it's up to you to take the time to understand it. Don't let history repeat itself. Dig deep into what went wrong and find creative ways to prevent similar errors from occurring again. Embracing your past mistakes is the first step to a brighter future. Number 7. Lack of confidence in oneself. Do you ever feel like you're holding yourself back? Despite being smart and talented, do you find yourself stuck in a cycle of failure instead of success? The secret to success lies in self-belief. Successful people know that they have what it takes to reach their goals and overcome any obstacles in their way. However, if you're prone to self-doubt and seeking excuses for your shortcomings, it's time to work on your self-belief. Empower yourself by believing in yourself and your abilities. This newfound confidence will give you the drive to never give up and find solutions to your problems. Remember, the only thing we have control over is our own choices. Don't let failure defeat you. Use it as fuel to keep pushing forward. Believe in yourself and watch as opportunities start pouring in. Use your failures as opportunities to become wiser, smarter, and ultimately more successful. When you make the conscious decision to address and conquer the 7 roadblocks preventing you from living a life of success, you will witness a profound transformation. Failure will no longer be an option, as success becomes the new norm. Your self-confidence will soar as you discover that you have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. The key is taking action, removing the hindrances that have been holding you back, and embracing the journey towards a life filled with success and limitless possibilities. This transformation is not only empowering, but it will also give you the courage and drive to reach new heights and truly make your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel.